I wanted to make sure that I could provide our callers an experience that was unique. And for the first time in my entire career, I feel I'm with a company that provides me that solid foundation. Rolando Salinas, and I am responsible for customer care for Arbonne International. Our business is actually very complex, and when you have such complexities, getting information that's synthesized, concise, and accurate to an agent that they can relay in 2 minutes is very difficult. So what we did with the KMS Lighthouse is provided our agents the ability to deliver on an experience that didn't just solve the problem, but it allowed them to build on being a brand advocate for Arbonne and providing a delightful experience. So when people hang up, they feel good, and that was crucial. And we have drastically increased our CSAT scores as well as our customer effort scores. So it's been an amazing outcome. And KMS Lighthouse responded to every challenge we had, collaboratively, creatively, a true partnership. There was never a blame, there was never anything negative. It was all about how do we combine together and make this work. KMS Lighthouse is the first company I've come across that really provided all the solutions that we needed, but gave us a foundation to build on for tomorrow.